there's always a group of chatty people to talk to.
So this is going to be a fun, creative session where we're going to be throwing lots of information at you. But fortunately, you've got the recording to be able to go back and watch, because there's a lot of little details that you might miss at the first go round. And you would look for two objects or whatever it is, two aspects of a scene, and photograph one, and then walk over to the other and photograph the other. And then the camera would automatically combine the two, but you wouldn't be able to adjust the opacity of each of those images. What is what you get out of the camera when you're using the Average Cam Pro.
Italy's a great place for textures. They've got all that stucco and things. So you're going to start taking a lot of weird photos when you hang out with us. And then you just start thinking about anything can be a texture. This is looking up through the what do you call it? The sunroof in the car. It was raining. I was in the car. It's raining on the sunroof. And then again, your imagination is your limit. Basically anything you could take a picture of and use as a background.
So you can transform otherwise somewhat boring images into something pretty spectacular.
And I think it goes back to what we were talking about last time when we were together, creating the art in your life or the feeling in your life. I have an album I call Play. So when I want to play with images, I put them in there. So images are always going in and out of that particular album so that I can keep playing with them. And then here's Charles. As if you know him, he loves ice cream. So this is how your brain will start working once you start doing this stuff. So I first put it in Prisma. I knew instantly I could put it into touch retouch to get rid of those ugly lines. And then in all my textures, I have a whole thing of birds now. Whenever I hear a bird tweeting, I'm shooting the bird going by with my camera. Again, your imagination is really your limit. And you have so many apps now at your disposal.
Sure.
So again, if you can think it up, you can do it.
Winter is coming, so don't be afraid to just go outside and photograph trees and other things in the winter, and include a lot of white sky, because you can exchange the white sky for something much more interesting. Totally possible. Unlimited potential with all of this. It's really just the limits of your imagination, truly.
So you can win awards with your smartphone photos. So anyone that tells you can't is lying.
That's right.